Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about partial derivatives. In mathematics, a partial derivative of a function of several variables is its derivative with respect to one of those variables, with the others held constant. Partial derivatives are used in vector calculus and differential geometry. Now we use del, instead of d. Del is a reversed form of 6, is similar to Greek letter delta. As similar to differentiation, this plays a same role with different functions. For example, consider a polynomial, 3x squared, minus 2xy, plus 6y. All you have to do is to put del f by del x, means differentiating a polynomial with respect to x, we get 6x minus 2y. Again, differentiating can go all the way to 6. On the other hand, differentiating a polynomial with respect to y, as it is quite similar. That is del f by del y, we get minus 2x plus 6, but there is no y term here. Again, we differentiate, can go all the way to 0. Hence, we can combine to form del f by del x del y equals minus 2. Similarly, you can have more than 3 variables like x, y, and z. Consider another example. You have learned about trigonometric functions in differentiation. F of x and y equal to cosine x and y squared. This is kinda tricky, but you need not to worry. Let's derive with respect to x, we get minus sine x and other constant left as y squared. On the other hand, deriving with respect to y, we get cosine x and 2y. We left cosine x as a constant. Second derivative of x, that would be minus cosine x and y squared. And y on the other hand is cosine x and 2. Now, as well as finding both derivative of x and y, we get minus 2y times sine x. This was a part of product rule. Similarly, you can find out by making quotient rule. This is just a basics of partial derivatives. Like, comment, and subscribe now.